Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Children, in the previous class we have learned about poles, latitude and longitudes and the shape of the air. Yes or no children? Okay. All of you did the homework of previous class? Good. Now, let us see the previous class homework answers. Okay? See children, look at the board. Homework. First question. What is the shape of the air? Did you write the answer of this question? Okay. Then tell me, what is the answer of this question? What is the shape of the air? Good. It is in the round shape. So, what we have to write here? Round or spherical. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. What is the shape of the air? Round. Okay. Come to the next question. The imaginary straight line passing through the center of the air. What is that line? Good. Axis. What is the answer? Axis. A-X-I-S. Axis. Children, let us continue our chapter. Tell me children, what is the chapter name? Good. Our first chapter name is The World We Live In. What is our first chapter? The World We Live In. The World We Live In. The World We Live In. This is our first chapter. Look children, look at the next page. Look at the page number 197. These two paragraphs we have completed in the last class, in the previous class. Yes or no children? Look at the paragraph children. Look and listen carefully. Third paragraph. See children, latitudes and longitudes. The earth is so huge that we are not able to study it directly. So, we make a model of it in a small size. This model of the earth is called a globe. Look at the globe. It is a sphere. Latitudes and longitudes are marked on it. These are marked in degrees. Look children, what is the first line? The earth is so huge. The earth is, our earth is in the so huge. Huge means it is in the big size. Our earth is there in the big size. So that we are not able to study it directly. Directly, that much big earth we cannot study. Yes or no children? That's why we made a model of the earth in a small size. So this much big size earth we can't study it directly. So what we did? We make the earth model in a small size. Earth model means as it is like a air, same as it is, how the earth is there, same as it is like a air, we made in a small size. Then it is easy to study total air with the help of that model. So this model of the air is called globe. What is the model of the air? Globe. See, model of the air. Very, very important children. What is the model of the air? Good. Globe. Look children, Good. This is a globe. What is this? This is a globe. Tell me children, what is the shape of the globe? See? Good. It is in the round shape like the earth. It is also in the round shape or sphere. Sphere means children. Sphere. Sphere means spherical. It means a round shape only. Sphere or round shape. Those are same. The globe is also in the round shape. See children, on the globe we can see the total earth portion. Look. Yes sir, on the globe we can see the total earth portion. Actually, how our earth is, it is so huge, it is too big. But with the help of globe, we can study the total earth easily. That's why, what is the model of the earth? Globe. That's why it is the model of the earth. Model of the earth, globe. What is the spelling of globe? G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Look at the globe. On the globe, latitudes and latitudes are marked on it. So, these latitudes, see, these are latitudes and latitudes. Latitudes and longitudes are marked in a degrees. Look children, this is a globe. On the globe, what are marked on each? Latitudes and longitudes are there on the globe. Yes sir. So, these latitudes and longitudes marked in a degrees. Marked in a degrees. It means how can we measure these latitudes and longitudes? Longitudes and latitudes are measures in the degrees. D-E-G-R-E-E-S. Degrees. On the globe also, latitudes and longitudes are there in a degrees. Degrees means children. For example, look here. 0. What is this? 0. On the 0, top of the 0, see. This small circle indicates degree. 0 degree. And look here. What is this? 5. 5 degrees. Degrees means on the top of the number we can write a small circle. This indicates degree. 5 degrees, 6 degrees, 23 degrees and 11 and half degrees. Like that, degrees. This small circle indicates degrees. So, latitudes and longitudes we can measure in the degrees. Look children, look at the last paragraph. What is this? The equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. The equator. Now we are going to learn about the equator. What is equator? Where it is located on the globe? See, 0 degree latitude is called the equator. Listen carefully children. 0 degree latitude is called the equator. The equator is an imaginary line around the earth, halfway between the poles. Equator means equalizer. The equator divides the earth into 2 equal halves. The half below the equator is the southern hemisphere and the half above the equator is the northern hemisphere. Look children, now which about we are going to learn? The equator. The equator. What is the spelling of equator? E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Equator. Equator. Okay, children? Equator. Now, 0 degree latitude is called the equator. Look, children. This is the 0 degree latitude. What is this? This is a 0 degree latitude. 0 degree, 0 degree. 0 degree latitude is called the equator. See, this line is the 0 degree latitude. This 0 degree latitude is called equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. 0 degree. 0 degree means Z-E-R-O. 0. D-E-G-R-E-E. Degree. 0 degree latitude. This is a latitude. It means equator also a latitude. 0 degree latitude. L-A-T-D-I-T-U-D-E-S. 0 degree latitude is called equator. Tell me, children, equator is a latitude? Yes, it is a latitude. The equator is an imaginary line around the earth. This equator is also an imaginary line. It is situated around the earth. It's completely like around the earth. Total is there on the earth. Halfway between the poles. See, children, equator is there between the poles, halfway between the poles. Look, between the poles, it is situated at the half side. Okay, halfway between the poles, between the North Pole and South Pole, it is situated at the half center place. Equator means equalizer. Equator means equalizer. Equalizer means it divides equally. Equator divides equally. The equator divides the earth into 2 equal halves. Look, children, this equator divides our earth into 2 equal halves. Look, children, for example, this is our earth. Equator divided our earth into 2 equal halves. See, this is 1 half and this is 1 half. These 2 halves are connected. These 2 halves are also equal. Which line divided these halves? Equator. This equator divided our earth into 2 halves. See, this is 1 half and this is 1 half. This equator divided like that. So, the half below the equator. The half below the equator. So, children, this is 1 half and this is 1 half. Below the equator. Below the equator, this half is called the southern hemisphere. Total this place. Total this part below the equator. Below the equator, this part is called the half. Half is called the southern hemisphere. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N. Southern hemisphere. H-E-M. Hemisphere. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. Hemisphere. This half is called the southern hemisphere. Next, again half there, no? This. Above the equator. Above the equator, this half is called the northern hemisphere. Total, this part. Above the equator, this half is called the northern hemisphere. N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N. Northern hemisphere. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. Northern hemisphere. This is your homework. There are 3 fill in the blanks, children. These 3 questions, fill in the blanks, you have to write in your notebook. Okay now? See, what is the first question? 0 degree latitude is called what? You have to write the answer here. Next question. A model of the earth. What is the model of the earth? Earth. That one you have to write there. Next one. The equator divides the earth into the dash and dash hemispheres. Okay now, we have 2 hemispheres. Write the answers here.